chosen one, stop what you are doing and listen closely. The mark on your left hand is not what the world tells you it is. It is not an accident of biology. It is not a random trait. And it is certainly not a parlor trick. Only 1 in a million souls carry this specific energetic signature. And if you are hearing my voice right now, you did not arrive here by coincidence. The divine intelligence that moves the universe has intercepted your day because you have spent too long carrying a profound gift as if it were a heavy burden. You have always felt it. The way you absorb the silent pain of a room, the way your intuition speaks volumes before logic even opens its mouth. The exhaustion of feeling fundamentally different from everyone around you. Today, that confusion ends. Stay with me until the very end of this message, because by the time we finish today, you will understand exactly why you carry this weight, and I am going to give you the specific framework you need to stop absorbing the pain of the world and start wielding your true power. I will also guide you through a powerful mental activation to seal this truth into your spirit. You do not want to miss what is coming. But to understand the mark, we must first look at how it has been secretly operating in your daily life. Imagine sitting in a crowded room. On the outside, you are perfectly still. You look calm. But internally, your left side, the receiving side of your body, feels like it is humming with an electrical current. The first sign you might notice is an unexplained physical tension, specifically in your left shoulder and hand. You feel this most intensely when you are around inauthentic people or walking into environments filled with unresolved conflict. Your body is bracing itself. The second sign is those sudden intuition flashes. You experience moments of absolute knowing that happen instantly when you physically touch something or someone with your left hand. Information transfers to you without words. The third indicator is temperature sensitivity. You might find your left hand becoming inexplicably cold or warm during moments of deep spiritual shifts, or when you are receiving an unspoken message from the universe. And the fourth sign is a deep, aching, creative restlessness. It is a profound need to create, to fix, or to heal that seems to radiate specifically from that left side of your body. This is not a medical anomaly. This is your somatic system processing spiritual weight. Your body is doing exactly what it was designed to do. If you have felt this tension in your own body, take a moment right now and type "I see it" in the comments to confirm your recognition. But what is this sensitivity actually preparing you for? Let me tell you exactly what is happening in your nervous system right now. I am naming this early because I do not want to build mystery just to sell you something at the end. Let me be direct about a tool that exists, so you can decide whether to stay for the full picture. Your sensitivity to this mark means your brain is operating on a completely different frequency than the people around you. It means you were born with a higher capacity for processing unseen energy. A neuroscientist named Dr. Robert Lake spent over 3 decades researching this at the highest levels, and he discovered that this exact physical and emotional sensitivity is linked to dormant gamma brainwaves. Your left side is absorbing everything heavily because your natural protective high-frequency state has been suppressed by the noise of the modern world. There is a tool, a 7-minute audio track called the Genius Song, that uses pure measured brain entrainment to reactivate this gamma state safely. It shifts you from absorbing pain to channeling power. If your spirit already tells you this is the tool for your current season, the link is in the description and pinned comment. But please do not rush. Stay for the full message if you want the complete context of who you really are. For those staying, here is what comes next about the formation of your soul. You have carried so much weight for so long, thinking your sensitivity was a flaw. Look at the original Hebrew word yad. It translates to hand. But in the ancient texts, it does not just mean a physical hand. It translates to direction, to power, and to a monument. Your left hand, the receiving hand, is not a symbol of weakness. It is a monument to what you have survived. Think of the universal journey of the alchemist. The alchemist does not run from the heavy, dark lead of painful experiences. They do not hide from the crushing weight of the world. They use the fire of their own spirit to transmute that heavy lead into pure gold. That is exactly what you have been doing in the dark. You have been taking the pain, the isolation, and the misunderstanding and turning it into wisdom. What felt like isolation to you was actually incubation. What felt like endless delay was actually your development. You were hidden so you could be formed without interference. When this receiving hand finally learns to open without fear, the shift in your reality will be undeniable. Take a deep breath. The hardest part of the wilderness is behind us. Let us look at what is arriving. The universe operates on the principle of aligned receiving. For your entire life, you have used your left side, your receiving side, to absorb the pain, the chaos, and the unspoken trauma of the world around you. You thought that was your burden. But the mark signifies that you are meant to receive profound spiritual downloads, divine guidance, and infinite abundance, not just give your energy endlessly until you are empty. Let me tell you about a contemporary chosen one who walked this exact path. 9 months ago, she was exhausted, constantly absorbing the heavy frequencies of every room she entered. She felt completely drained by her own sensitivity, but she made a decision. She stopped hiding her sensitivity. She set a firm boundary to protect her energy. And within 38 days, an entirely new reality opened up. A massive, perfectly aligned opportunity that she had never even applied for found her directly. It found her because she finally cleared the static and allowed her receiving hand to actually receive. Before this continues, gently press the like button. Do not do it for me, but do it so this message reaches another soul who feels completely isolated in their sensitivity today. When this receiving hand finally learns to open, the shift will be undeniable. Opportunities will stop missing you. Connections will finally make sense. But what I am about to share next is the barrier most chosen ones never see coming. There is one specific fear that will completely sabotage this arrival if you do not name it today. You think your biggest problem is the fear of failure. You think you are afraid of getting it wrong. But look deeper. You are not afraid of failing. You are terrified of the power in your own hands. You suffer from visibility fear. You are terrified of what happens if you actually step into your magnitude and the world sees who you truly are. You carry a deep, heavy growth guilt, because you know that stepping into your authentic power means leaving certain people and certain comfortable spaces behind. Hear me clearly right now. You are allowed to outgrow spaces that demand you play small. You are allowed to release the guilt of moving forward. You are allowed to stop explaining your divine mark to people committed to misunderstanding you. If you feel the weight of that guilt lifting from your shoulders right now, type, "I release the guilt" in the comments. That fear of your own magnitude is the only thing keeping you hidden, and today it loses its grip on you. Before I can show you the exact framework to recalibrate this sensitivity, because I will show you, there is one more thing I need to reveal. And this one changes everything about how your mind processes spiritual information. Listen closely. Let me pause for a moment and put this in plain words, because I want you to walk away from this message with something solid. Here is what you now know that you did not know 20 minutes ago. The tension and sensitivity in your left side is not anxiety. It is your somatic system processing spiritual weight. It is a biological and energetic reality. The resonance check tool I am about to give you requires you to isolate that physical feeling and separate your intuition from your trauma. And the identity that connects all of this is undeniable. You are the wounded healer holding the rare capacity to transmute deep pain into ultimate purpose. Remember earlier when I told you about a specific tool? Let us walk through exactly what it does. Chosen ones, your brain was built with a high capacity for gamma frequencies. This is why you process the unseen world so intensely. But the modern world forces a phenomenon called the decline effect, systematically shutting down that high frequency state. Dr. Robert Lake mapped this out over 34 years of intense research. What he developed is pure brain entrainment, designed specifically to safely reverse the decline effect and wake up your dormant gamma state. I want to share the story of a 38-year-old woman who had tried everything. She spent years doing the yoga routines, the meditation apps, and the sound baths, but still felt an agonizing spiritual disconnect. She used this tool because she was exhausted and had nothing left to lose. Within 2 weeks, her life shifted dramatically. She experienced deep, undeniable synchronicities. She finally felt the universe communicating with her in a language she could actually understand. I respect your finances deeply. Phase 1 of this restoration is $39. This is an intentional accessibility choice by Dr. Lake. He wanted to make sure that the people who carry this mark could actually access the tool. Let me reintroduce you to the full scope of the Genius Song. If you look at traditional options, therapy sessions or endless mindfulness subscriptions can easily cost hundreds of dollars, and they rarely target your gamma frequency directly. The original cost for this audio technology was $49, but right now it is $39 as a one-time investment. And you do not just get the track, you receive 4 specific bonuses, including the Genius Child frequency and guided visual applications, adding an additional $80 in value, completely free. There is also a 90-day guarantee where you keep all the bonuses, even if you request a refund, removing the risk entirely. You have to consider the cost of waiting. Every single day your gamma remains dormant is a day you are living below your divine potential. It is another day of absorbing the world's pain instead of wielding your own power. One thing I must tell you to protect your journey. There are counterfeit versions out there trying to mimic this without the actual measured brain entrainment frequencies. To ensure you get the authentic technology with the bonuses and the guarantee, only use the official link. Take a slow, deep breath, hold it for a moment and let it go. This is not just about an audio track. This is about claiming your original design. If you feel led by your spirit to take this step, the link is in the description and the pinned comment. Stay with me, because what I am about to declare over you is an impartation that will change the atmosphere of your life. Now that you have the tool, it is time to seal the identity. This mark on your left hand, this tension you have carried for so long, has a final, undeniable meaning. It is not a symptom of trauma, it is the signature of your calling. You are the truth carrier. You are the one who walks into spaces built on illusions and silently brings the light of reality just by standing in the room. You are the bridge connecting the heavy, dense world of physical struggles to the high, clear frequencies of the divine. For years, the world told you that your sensitivity was a weakness. They told you to toughen up, to care less, to build walls. But look at yourself now. Look at what you have survived and how much love you still have left to give. You are not broken. You are not burdened. You are branded by the divine. If you are in a place where it is safe to do so, close your eyes. If you are driving or moving, simply keep your focus steady and take this journey in your mind. I want you to bring all of your awareness to your left hand right now. Visualize that hand. Imagine a warm golden light beginning to pool right in the center of your palm. See that light growing brighter, moving through your fingers, traveling up your arm. Feel it actively dissolving decades of absorbed pain, clearing out every heavy emotion you took on from other people that never belonged to you in the first place. This is not just a visualization. This is a commissioning. You are being cleared for your real assignment. Notice the shift in your body. Feel the physical lightness in your left shoulder right now as the burden finally falls away. Let us pause here in deep gratitude. Thank you to the source, to the divine intelligence, for the rare ones, for the 1 in a million souls who agreed to carry this profound mark for the healing of the world. Take one deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and as you exhale, release the need to hide your sensitivity forever. Release the guilt, release the shame of being different. You are standing in your true power now. Say this in your heart or speak it aloud into the room where you are. Say, I am a vessel of divine frequency. I no longer absorb the darkness, I channel the light. And so it is. Before we part, I want to prepare you for what comes next. When you secure your access to the Genius Song and complete your purchase today, the next page you see may appear to be another offer. I want you to know exactly what it is. It is the second door Dr. Lake created in this restoration sequence. Take a moment to evaluate it, listen to your spirit, and know that either choice you make is completely respected and honored. There is no pressure here. If your spirit is confirming everything we have spoken today, go to the comments right now and type "I am ready" and type it with the force of a lion claiming its territory. You are not the person who pressed play on this message. That person was confused by their own weight. You are leaving as someone who understands their absolute power. If this message brought peace to your chaos and confirmation to your soul, let your like on this video be your amen without words. Make sure you stay connected and subscribe to this space for continued revelation as you walk into this new season. There is so much more coming for you. For those who feel called to begin the energetic recalibration, the link is in the description and pinned comment for the Genius Song. Follow it only if your spirit confirms it is time. And one last thing, if someone came to mind while you were listening today, someone who has been unusually quiet lately, someone who looks fine on the outside, but you know they are carrying an unseen weight, share this message with them. Send it in a text or an email. It might be the exact confirmation they have been praying for in secret. May your left hand be open to receive all the blessings you have been denying yourself. You are not leaving a video today. You are leaving a season of hiding and stepping into a lifetime of light.